ongivimba entweni eyenziwa yimi ungivimbe ngokuthi unike omunye umuntu imali engani nabaholi abanye bake basibiza lapha esebethe abanye khululekani sizombiza uphakela nje sofike simtshele ukuthi nikani thina imali thina sofike simtshele ukuthi akayiyeke yonke lento akwenziwa kimi kanjalo ngiyindoda ngakukhetha lokho engikwenzayo ngithanda izwe lami
Nithi manje nangu uphakele imthakatha pha exakwe yinto pha bakwanongoma kanye eyazi imgolozeli lezi zibuya ngolala ndimbona apha kwenye shop apho uzama ukukhupha ezinye ichepha apha ezi foreigners so izinkokheli ziyambuza ngoba emfowini dala into sikotela zona ezilozo sikotela zona uzithatha phi inkama la akwazi ukuphendula. You know why? Because ayikho lento ayithethayo. Ungihlekisa kwenye uthi ubhatala i-tax. Ithi le chepha nami ndiyibhatala i-tax. Uthi nazi invoices, ubujonga leza invoices khona i-tax pha. Nale imxaki. Kube ke le masterpiece ke uzama ukukhupha enye. Ivele iprotectwe ngulo mnikazi wala property. Or South African by the way. Yebo. So yabona lento is just abantu bematch and match clownish nje and lento yabo it's not gonna go anywhere. There is no one, and I'm saying this, but akekho umuntu nyani in their right mind or believe banyani lento it's going to yield the result in terms of, first of all, in terms of addressing social ills in our society okanye ukaddressa ilendoza. As a parliament put it, but we are fixing the economy. What is the first thing I understand in the economy sebenza kanjani? Because in fixing it, we are fixing the economy. Masenze nje into sithi ke simvuyisa kancinci sithi bazohamba abantu basi foreign nationals. The first thing I find to understand is that aba bantu bakhe, abantu bematch and match, bafuna ukuthi take over as shops. But into enxakayo abanayo imali to run or to even start, and then bathe ngokufanele babe government funded. Because kwakho umuntu okuthiwa ngiphakele umthakathi wathi South Africa is so rich, umuntu ngamnye anganikwa 1 million, and so abantu ngoku in their minds bathi bazonikwa 1 million from government. Wakwayibona abisenzeka lonto lo xa ungumuntu nje onengqondo le yemveli wakwayibona abisenzeka uvela unikwe nje imali nje. Hey Nansika, in order for you ukwazi uziqalela into zixelele ba ndizoraise mina icapital, otherwise bucima uzodependa kwinto ze funding and all of those manner of things. It's not going to happen. And I still reiterate lento ndisoloko ithethwa nami ndiyithetha that inkoliso yethu South Africa siyonqena. Asifuna ukwenza into but siyafuna uba nezinto, and anikhatha loba kungathwani noba wenzani you will never receive anything wakhange usebenze. Uyabona ungakhange ubile you will not receive anything. Akhondo no amount of ilento za ukumatcha on the street uchilo ngizwa but wathi ukumatcha singabi na results khathele lonto. And if uzosolo umuntu ofuna uyomatcha wena usoloku usithini uyawuzilibazisa into ziyalibazisa nje because it's distraction nje. Abantu cannot think now bafanele becingelwe ngoJacinta becingelwe ngophakela umthakathi, cannot think ngokunokwabo nje umuntu azicingele ngokwakhe. Umuntu akwazi nokuthenga isweet packet esweet ezi1 ezi100 athenga isweet nge20 cents ucima ngarun ispass. Those guys as a foreign ziyalo ziyenzayo zihlala pha ishops zazo eziya azonqena uvula ngo6 kubethe mu6 zahleli pha. Nina South Africans xa kubethe u6 ngolesihlanu anisabonwa nobona umuntu odibana naye Monday ivuneli lakhe but Tuesday otherwise ngezinye weekends azombona uzofuna yemigidini eyosarha pha utyiwa. So yabona lento ngokuba there's no discipline, konqenwa nje abantu bathanda nice time party all the way. Ophakalo Mthakathi abananto abayenzayo. Umsebenzi wabo kukuyuza abantu bama bafumana lento yabo. The more crowds zihambe emva kwakhe zimamela lento ayithethayo, it's the more funders zakhe zinyusa imali. Nalamoto ayiphiwe uyiphiwe for this specific lentos. Kwathi ke indoda sekunika lento, make sure. So lena isebenzela lena igadi sonke sayo. Yabo xa iphelele na into ngo is going to go on to the next thing. Nina benigcwele izitrato nimatsha nizobuyela entweni. Because lento leyo ayikho sustainable le into. I don't care who says what. Ayikho sustainable too. Ngo-January yonke lento it will be a thing of the past. And then umuntu engobesoloko ekhokhozela emva koJacinta uzazibona ufana uJacinta wabe sethethe enye language. Uzwe wawuzambona uJacinta senikwe isikhundla esithile mhlawumbe kwi-political organization. Yebo. Nina ke nithanda izinto nawuhlala ke ningabo bantu niphinde nikade linye ithuba xa kuvela omnye umuntu nje. Nyama make siya ugada make ngoku umuntu azijonge yena. Masiye kuba ngabantu nzothina abahamba nomsinga, so to speak. Know what, as a person, know what you want. Know how to achieve it. Have the necessary discipline in achieving lento uyifunayo. Because ayikho nanye into ongasoze uyifumane if you are disciplined. There is no discipline and there is amatches. Because abana ngoku khona abantu aba-opportunistic ngoku uvansi ba end up ngoku abantu befuna ukulutha and all manner of things. Because in reality ke zilambile izinkokheli zimatch apha. And umuntu olambileyo uba desperate. And i-desperation umuntu end up esenza izinto they wouldn't normally do. So make nyani madodana makhe ingqondo makhe ibuye ngoku. Yeah, it was nice, masivume it was nice sileqa abantu. But maske sileqeni ngoyi-goals zethu singabantu as individuals. Ojacinta noPhakelo Mthakathi baleqe zabo i-goals. And it's got nothing to do with the country or the people, but everything to do in lining up their pockets from funders that want to frustrate lento yonke nje. First of all bafuna ufrustrate November 4. And number 2 bafuna nje ukudestabilize so that umuntu omnyama angadibani. Because the minute we are united as black people, whether sisuke Congo, whether sisuke Nigeria, whether sisuke if sihlala because i-majority, but ubuninzi bethu if kugcwele abantu who cannot think, then we might as well sichithe sityiwe. And I'm saying this, Landela much and much igcwele zin non-thinkers. uJacinta is non-thinker, uPhakelo Mthakathi is non-thinker, noNgizwe is non-thinker. And then in non-thinkers time. Greetings, ndoza kuthi. Namhlanje nje ndikhali bakhe siqwalasele nje ba what is it that is happening in the country so far, and how far are we in terms of create imisebenzi as Phakelo Mthakathi nabo Jacinta have claimed to be doing, and how far are we in terms of bathi don't la bethetha yokane naba bathi we are but something eminish balungisa ilizwe. And I'm asking myself baleliphi elilizwe balilungisayo, because ukulungisa ilizwe into esifacene nayo namhlanje amongst many other things, inequality in this society esiphila kuyo. Into esifacene nayo apha is a direct result of a capital that took advantage of the people of this country. Into esifacene nayo apha, it's the fact that our very own people who are not equipped, who are not skilled. And that is a result of a system of education that was introduced. Not so long ago, besine colleges, and those technical colleges. And then Zamba, TVET colleges. And then they did away with some of if ndiyakweliqala electricity and ilentos mechanical, but tata is nated courses and introduce NCV and all of those things, which were pretty useless because the industry still demanded nated. But what I'm trying to say, Apanditi, those are what we should be fighting instead of fighting fellow black people. Because if foreign nationals, let me just just call because siyadingakala aba bantu sithi ngabokufika, that is from Zim, from Nigeria, from Mozambique, you name is now Congo, up to Somalia and all of those, Ethiopia. Aba bantu in the main into abayenzileyo, they've come up in South Africa and saw an opportunity, especially areas is E2 in fact. They saw an opportunity in the area of Illinois spaza shops, and they saw an opportunity in the area of artisans. And now my concern is this now. Asiba ateki aba bazi ati okanye manditi, we are not gunning for masibezi artisans. We are not gunning for into edinga skill. Siyakulena isispaza because by ding skill. Because to run a spaza shop, to run a spaza shop, it tata amongst many other things, discipline. If you need patience, if you need self-control, and the like. And our people say, Leo, I'm saying it unapologetically, Leba. Number one, they're not going to run as spaza shops. That's a fact. Why am I saying this? Because abantu bokufika khange bafike kukhona izipaza ebesizirana. Bafike sivalile igarage, sivalile ezindlini, and we are running to ezidolophini siphume ezilalini. Bona njengoba sibalekele ezidolophini bona babalekele ezilalini, and they started to run izipaza shops. And we were so happy ukuthenga kubo. We were so happy to support them because had they not received a support, they were not survive this long. Bakhule kanje. Bakhula because of his support yethu. If foreign national E1, abantu abayisupportayo, there are at least 100 who are South African. And then thina sithi ngoku aba bantu hayi basithathele imisebenzi. Kukhona ke lento aba obsessed ngayo abantu bematch and match oba fanele ube ne5 million and all of those things. And abathethe kwamatch and match ithalwa ngaki million. Ngophakela umthakathi ngapha baba sinike i-million singasebenzi. Naba ngokuba obsessed nge5 million. And then they forget that aba bantu bezibaza banikwe sithi indawo. Thina sisazivala shops zethu, and we're happy to give it to them by full. And number two, basupportwa sithi, we buy there. And leave this nonsense of people saying that kwakhona into abantwana bayafa, expired food, okanye ukudla kufakwa poison and ipilisi and all that manner of things. That is a lie from the pit of hell. Because abantu kwezi ndawo bathenga kwezi chep for the longest time. And asizive ezi story. Then all of a sudden we say khona case after case of food poisoning okanye abantwana abafakelwe ipilisi and all of manner of things. And then kube khona le tendency esinayo sithi umuntu kwa foreign national committee crime sithi yabona as foreign nationals ziyahlupha because they commit crime and all manner of things. Khakuhambe elokishini kule ndawo uhlala kuyo, especially kongaziwayo kuyo, ubomi uyawuphumusa nayo cellphone yakho. But it's black South Africans, but you're not safe there. and then you blame it on people who are foreign. Kodwa thina qala apha. Number 2, thina qala apha abantu abaninzi, they have closed down i-shops zabo because ukhona umuntu oyi-fellow South Africa. Because thina ingxaki yethu sinomona against one another, sisapotana. Avala ishop yakhe umuntu because ke waboma yo ingathi siyamtyebisa lo. Bosinjalo thina by nature. Black South Africans injalo. Azinamona zibuya ngolala. Abakusupport tu. Yabona mina in my line of business. Is support endiyifumanayo. Ndiyifumana first of all with strangers. That's number 1. And many of them are foreign nationals. Ndiyifumana from the white people or Indian okanye nabanye. But aba basithi, they will never support you. Ukona inkunzi yomona amongst us. And then ngolonto kwe sikhuphele lanto ngoku to our brothers in Africa. Adiva noma into much and much, but where were they ngela xesha? Bafuna ba-address le issue ukufika kwaYan van Riebeeck abe-South Africa. Wafika i-foreign national uYan van Riebeeck. Wayifumana phi ile nto i-permit or whatever. The Indians that came bezosebenza kwi-sugar cane ba-documentwa ngubani wathi they are South African, but sileka aba basuka ko-Zimbabwe and all manner of things. And then bekhona kwezizitutshe nje zivele zithi we support abantu be-crime, basivezele i-Nigerians ezithengisa i-drugs. Hey, umuntu othengisa i-drugs makabanjwe qha, finish and clear. That's a crime. Nomuntu obulala omnye umuntu makabanjwe, nomuntu ontshontshayo makabanjwe. Sanibeni sifundekele mina isixela ba hayi kwaze kwathini, so umuntu axeba xa usithi when you support makube khona abantu aba-foreign, awuthi wena it means wena support a crime. Uvela uboma upokopane kaDumi lo, because there's no one who support a crime, but you support a crime. Or ifuna support le crime yenu nina niyabe nibetha abantu for no reason. Ndiyabava naba lophakela ubuthakathi besithi abantu nge-31st akho mntu uyandawo ku-31st kaJulayi apho. Ayikho loo nto le. Okurhasa bancame ophela ubunsizwa, telling you now. And then after i-4th of le nto xa kuphele yonke le nto ye-elections, they will face the music abaphakela ubuthakathi benu. And nina nihambe nileqa ke ezitratweni nileqa into eningayaziyo. You're not going to have jobs after the 4th. You're not going to have jobs after the 31st. Lesiya kuyo ngithethe into yakude. Nibe nileqa into eningayaziyo apha phandle. Umuntu makazidevelope yena self. There's no phakela umthakathi ozokwenzela nto. Same as akho politician ozokwenzela nto. If wena uvuke emaqandeni ulibe lulandela ne-politicians, ulibe lulandela nophakela umthakathi, uzokwenzakala. Vuke emaqandeni taki, yeke lento niceba nokunika izinto, iziswele nge-training izinto. Apha emhlabeni you work hard, you get lento uyideservayo. Ubuzohlala phezu kwezandla zakho, ubuye ukrabalaza ukrasa esitratweni, bawulamba, and you will die in that hunger.